Montana track, bitch.
Red homie thugger in the motherfucker. Red homie thugger in the motherfucker.
Oh, Rich gang, fucked up, baby. Got like 4 ounces in the 20, bitch. I'm black. Red homie.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle.
You already know. You're an only boy.
Or you and your friend them want to take me like we like we're Judas.
I'm not saying this.
We like we're friend them.
They took
$1,500,000
on a Visa card. 100 bands still look like some fucking ties. Niggas serving great white like I'm feeding sharks. I won't do nothing with the bitch, she can't even get me hard. Something wrong with the pussy. Even though I ain't gon' hit it, I'ma still make sure that she does shit. Me and my rally don't get caught up like that, no way. We ain't got time to
Yeah, it's your boy Marcus Mafia. We at the Marcus the Marshall Maruka's birthday party. As you see, Marcus Mafia always goes through the security, follows on back. That's it. You gotta bring a bottle to the party.
Going out like no idiot, I'm a OG. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Like a beginning, this is on the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain, puffing on clouds, and niggas still beginning. Still screaming for the other side. I'ma ride for my nigga, hey. I'ma die for my nigga, hey. I ain't gonna be letting on my niggas, hey.
You got shit.
You got shit. All eyes on me. Y'all rap niggas on some pop shit. I've been young and paparazzi wanna pop it. Clock 30 in the cockpit. Sipping down the
They couldn't see me if they had a genie. I'm living my life like Beanie. R.I.P. my brother Beanie. I stacked them right to the ceiling. Now these niggas can't beat me. I just might wake up one Chanel and these bitches can't see me. I'm in a whole nother league. I ain't got age, but I swear to God I'ma bleed till I D.I.E. 28 flows up, I feel like I can F.L.Y.E.E. P on top of these bitches. God told me they can never stop me, so they ain't gon' stop me. I'm in that Corvette with baby mommy get sloppy toppy. I'm bleeding red like a devil. I see these bitches plotting. They wanna know how I got M's and I didn't finish college. I done did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Living like a beginning, this is on the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain, puffing on clouds, and niggas still beginning.
I do it for my mama. Them long nights, I swear to God, I do it for the come up. I'm Willie B. beating on my chest in the jungle. Hey. Money, home money, I got commas and they ain't playing. Sunday through Monday, I been grinding with no sleep. Talking about taking something from me like no weed. Thuggle, that my brother. You don't want no trouble. Or you can get these fish knuckle. Buckle up like a seatbelt or I shoot ya. Punching on the gas too fast and I lose ya. Give me a bed and I do her. I want a head, Medusa. I swear a nigga gone, cause it's strong, I'm blowing super. Hey, grinding for a new day. I'm skating like that nigga Lupe. Hey, I'm on the top just like Tupac.
Happy birthday, bestie.
Don't make her mouth just like toothpaste.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my
how we do. And Rich get money team.
Tina na magenge, good, run Josie. I'm holding the crown, my soldiers surround, so throw in the towel. We come through the kitchen with owner's permission, the photos allowed. My flow is so hazardous, fun I get can nobody handle this.
I'm here with you right now today. Wishing you happy birthday to Marsha. Yeah. Let me say wishes you a good birthday. The Italian Mafia wishes you a good birthday.
See, all I wanted was a peace of mind to speak my mind. The streets are mine, yeah. I ain't even reached my prime. Sazo wenza busy blind, thinking Sazo wenza busy blind. Aw, mina nginsimbe lezinye, redefine, just read between the lines. And when the sparks fly, hope you can see the grind. See the grind, yeah.